In this video, I'll demonstrate how to send a new operating system, or OS, to a remote data logger. A remote data logger is one that is already deployed and could be on a telecommunications link such as a cell phone or IP link. This video demonstrates how to update the OS using the LoggerNet Connect screen. Other methods to update the OS include the device configuration utility or file control in PC400. Campbell Scientific data loggers now ship with Secure by Default enabled. This means remote access to the data logger is not possible without a PAC bus encryption key. Data loggers shipped with this feature will have a decal with a QR code and the data logger UID, or Unique Identification Number. By default, the UID serves as the PAC bus encryption key. The PAC bus encryption key must be entered into device configuration, LoggerNet, or PC400 setup screen to connect to the data logger over IP. Before updating the OS, I need to create a default program. This is a very basic program that contains instructions to preserve critical communication settings but should be as small as possible. The CR1000X series data logger manual has a section on the default program, including an example default program. The example program includes an SW12 instruction to power a communication peripheral in case power is lost while updating. I will use that program but add one additional line with the set setting instruction to include the data logger IP address. This is a safeguard in case something goes wrong during the OS send. If the data logger reboots and cannot run a program, the default program will run and assign the IP address to the data logger so I can still connect remotely. I'm ready to download the latest operating system to my computer. I will find it on the Campbell Scientific website at www.campbellsci.com/downloads. Under Downloads by category, I select Operating Systems Data Logger, then locate my data logger on the left side. I see the CR1000X OS and click Download Now. I must be signed into campbellsci.com to be able to download this file. Locate the downloaded.exe file and run it. This will copy the os.iobj file to the C Campbell Sci lib operating systems folder. Now that the new operating system is downloaded to my computer, I will open LoggerNet, then the Connect application. If I was using PC400, I would select my data logger, then click Connect. If I have trouble connecting to the data logger, I need to confirm that the correct PAC bus encryption key is entered into the setup screen. Before I install the new operating system, I need to collect my data. All data files will be erased when I reinstall the new OS. Click Collect Now at the top of the window and collect all the data by highlighting the table files and clicking OK. Now I'll click on File Control. Before I send the OS, I will upload the default program I created. Click Send, then browse to the default program. Mine is in C Campbell Sci CR Basic Editor. Find the default program, click it, then click Open. A new window appears. Leave the Run Now and Run on Power Up boxes checked. This allows the default program to run when voltage is applied to the data logger, allowing communication to be re-established with the data logger once the OS is updated. Now that all my data is saved, I'm ready to update my OS. Click Send. I browse to where the new OS was saved. C Campbell Sci lib operating systems. I don't see my OS file. That's because the window defaults to showing program files. Click the drop-down menu and change Programs to Data Logger Operating System Files. There's my new OS. Click that file, then click Open. I get a warning stating that updating the OS could take some time and to not power down the data logger while it's updating. I may lose communication with the data logger while the OS is updating. This is normal. I'll get it back when it's done updating. Once the update is complete, I need to restart my desired program. Under Run Options, I see Running Power Up next to the default program, letting me know the program is currently running and will run whenever the data logger is powered up. I'll double-click the program I want to run and check Run Now and Run at Power Up. Then click OK. A warning pops up about all internet data being erased. The default program didn't save any data, so it's okay to proceed. Click Yes. The new program then compiles and runs. When that happens, I'll see the compile results. Click OK. File control now shows my selected program is running now and on PowerUp. Open Station Status and check that the operating system shows the updated version. And that's it. My data logger now has the latest OS running on it and is continuing to collect data as programmed.